Hi, good evening. I would like to thank Bangladesh government for organizing this event. Also to the Leather Export Council who have organized this event in a nice way, and we are very happy to participate. Sperene as a group, we are into mainly TPR and also into several divisions working with the footwear and few products which we are also having in consumers. So I would like, the government to be support us. Also, we are very happy to share our values and everything so that we can carry a memorable things. And looking at this event, we more and more looking for a business opportunity in Bangladesh, and whatever the best possible support from our side in terms of technical supports, in terms of commercials, we are trying hard to support the event. And we are having a good commercial team along with the technical team who can come here, jointly address all the issues together in terms of technical as well as commercials, so that we can grow business together along with India and Bangladesh. We work together. Thank you.